Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you.
Start or
Start.
Happy birthday. ബിരിയാണി കാത്തിരിക്കാണ്
Happy birthday to you. Take care.
God bless you, my son. I love you. I miss you.
Happy birthday. Suwana.
Happy birthday, Abhikaka. Wish you all the best and hope you like this surprise. And I can't wait to meet you. And I miss you. And I love you so much. Take care.
22nd birthday, Kaka. I really hope you like this video because we wanted to do something special on your 22nd birthday. And I really miss you. I really miss my food partner. I hope you love this video and I hope this video shows how much you miss me and to everyone else. And I love you so much. Take care.
Happy birthday. Love you.
ജന്മദിന ആശംസകൾ.
എല്ലാവിധ ആശംസകളും ബർത്ത്ഡേക്ക് ആശംസിക്കുന്നു. എല്ലാ ദീർഘായുസ്സും ആരോഗ്യമൊക്കെ തരട്ടെ, ഒരുപാട് ഉയരങ്ങളിലെത്തട്ടെ. അപ്പോൾ വരുമ്പോൾ കാണാം ഇൻഷാ അല്ലാ.
ഹാപ്പി ബർത്ത്ഡേ ടു യു. ജന്മദിനാശംസകൾ. ലോകത്തിലെ ഏറ്റവും വലിയ വേദന പ്രസവവേദന. ഇപ്പോൾ ബർത്ത്ഡേക്ക് അനുമോദിക്കേണ്ടി വന്നതല്ല, നമുക്ക് ജന്മം തന്ന മാതാവിൻ്റെ പറയുന്നു.
അബി ഹാപ്പി ബർത്ത്ഡേ. എല്ലാ ആശംസകളും.
Happy birthday. I know we haven't celebrated any birthdays together, but at least this time I'm making an effort, making a video to you and all these things. I hope you have a grand year ahead. And yeah, don't flunk any more papers on your ACC or whatever that is. So, good luck and wishing you all the best.
Happy birthday, Abhi. I hope you like this video and have a great birthday. Just don't enjoy too much. And thank your sisters for coming up with this idea. And have a great day and hope to see you soon.
Happy birthday, Abhi. See you soon.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Mama gift is still Happy birthday, man. Happy birthday, man. Happy birthday, man.
Happy birthday, dude. Wow, you're 22 now. I've been 22 for like 2 months, and let me tell you, 22 is like lots of money, girls chasing after you. At least that's what I've heard. Anyways, dude, I miss you like hell. Try to come to Dubai or wherever, man, back to India. Anyways, take care.
Abhi, happy birthday, bro. So, party hard. Booze all the way. Get high. And yeah, have fun with Hot 16. So, we are all waiting for you. Inshallah. See you next month. Happy birthday.
Yo, man. വേഗം തിരിച്ചാ. നമുക്കൊരു 2-3 ആനേനോട് ഇടിച്ചിടാം.
Viewer discretion is advised.
എടാ, അബിക്ക് വേണ്ടി ഞങ്ങള് ഈ ഡാൻസ് ഡെഡിക്കേറ്റ് ചെയ്തു.
Open Gangnam Style. Gangnam Style. Op, 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 op.